What's up, guys? Welcome back to the channel. This is chatgpt TV. For today's video, I'm here in Shibuya, Tokyo, one of the most famous and busiest districts in Japan. Right now, we're just walking through the streets of Shibuya, enjoying the city vibes, and heading our way to the well-known Uniqlo Shibuya. As you can see around me, Shibuya is full of energy. There are people everywhere, locals going to work, tourists taking photos, and shoppers exploring the area. This place never feels quiet. Even just walking here, you can really feel how alive the city is. Look at the buildings, big signs, bright lights, and huge LED screens. Some are showing ads, fashion brands, or music videos. This is one of the reasons why Shibuya is so popular, especially for first-time visitors to Tokyo. Every direction you look, there's something interesting. While walking, you'll notice different kinds of shops. There are clothing stores, sneaker shops, cafes, convenience stores, and even small food stalls. If you love fashion, Shibuya is definitely a paradise. Many trends actually start here before spreading to other parts of Japan. Another thing I really like about Shibuya is how clean and organized it is. Even though it's crowded, people are busy, but everyone is still respectful. You rarely hear loud noise from people shouting. Everything just flows smoothly. As we continue walking, you'll see how pedestrian-friendly the streets are. There are clear signs, wide sidewalks, and crossings that make it easy to explore on foot. This makes Shibuya perfect for walking tours like these. Now, we're getting closer to Uniqlo Shibuya. This Uniqlo branch is one of the most popular in the area. A lot of tourists come here because Uniqlo is known for simple, stylish, and affordable clothing. Some items here are also exclusive to Japan, which makes it more exciting to shop. From the outside, you can already tell how big it is. Inside, it has multiple floors with men's, women's, and kids sections. The layout is very clean and organized, so it's easy to find what you're looking for. Even if you don't plan to buy anything, it's still worth checking out just to see how big it is. Shibuya is not just about shopping, it's also about the experience. Walking these streets, seeing different cultures mixed together, and feeling the fast pace of the city makes this place very special. Every visit feels different, and there's always something new to discover. So yeah, guys, this is a simple walk through the streets of Shibuya on the way to you. I hope you enjoyed this city walk and got a feel of what Shibuya is really like. If you like this kind of travel and walking tour content, don't forget to like this video, subscribe to chatgpt TV, and comment down below where you want me to go next. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you in the next video. Arigato gozaimasu.
Nguyên phật tương lẹ luôn.